What if I told you that you don't need thousands of euros to start investing? What if investing just euros 5 a day could eventually grow into a portfolio worth thousands? Welcome to this brand new investing series, where I'll invest euros 5 every weekday, Monday through Friday, into the same ETF and document the entire journey publicly. Every 2 weeks, I'll show you the portfolio, the gains, the losses, and the total value, so you can follow along and see what consistent investing really looks like over time. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building wealth through discipline and consistency. Let's get started. The rules are simple. I will invest euros 5 every weekday. That's euros 25 per week, approximately euros 100 every month, around euros 1,300 per year. No market timing. No trying to predict crashes. No chasing hype stocks. I'll simply buy the same investment every single day, regardless of whether the market is going up or down. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. Instead of worrying about the perfect moment to invest, you invest consistently over time. Sometimes you'll buy high. Sometimes you'll buy low. But over the long term, this strategy can reduce emotional investing and smooth out market volatility. This experiment will show whether small, regular investments can make a meaningful difference. For this challenge, I chose the VanEck Morningstar Developed Markets Dividend Leaders UCITS ETF. So why this ETF? First, it focuses on companies from developed markets around the world. Instead of investing in just one company, you're investing in dozens of established businesses across multiple countries and industries. Second, it targets companies with strong dividend histories. These businesses often have stable cash flow and a track record of rewarding shareholders. Third, diversification helps reduce the risk that comes with owning individual stocks. If one company struggles, the impact on the overall portfolio is much smaller. Finally, I believe this ETF offers a simple way to build long-term wealth while benefiting from global dividend-paying companies. Of course, every investment carries risk, and past performance never guarantees future results. This series is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. One of the biggest myths about investing is that you need a lot of money to begin. Many people delay investing because they think euros 5 or euros 10 is too small to matter. But investing is more about habit than amount. Consistency can be far more powerful than trying to invest large sums occasionally. By documenting every purchase, every gain, and every loss, I hope to show that anyone can start building a portfolio with small amounts. The goal isn't to become rich in a few months. The goal is to build a long-term investment habit. Every 2 weeks, I'll upload a portfolio update. We'll look at total amount invested, current portfolio value, total profit or loss, percentage return, dividend payments received, market news affecting the ETF, my thoughts on continuing the strategy. Nothing will be hidden. You'll see the good weeks and the bad weeks. If markets fall, we'll keep buying. If markets rise, we'll keep buying. The strategy stays exactly the same. That's the entire point of this experiment. I'm excited to see where this portfolio will be after 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. Will consistent investing outperform trying to time the market? Will dividends accelerate growth over time? We'll find out together. This is a real experiment with real money and complete transparency. If you enjoy investing content and want to follow this journey from the very beginning, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the portfolio updates every 2 weeks. And let me know in the comments. If you had just euros 5 to invest every day, what would you choose? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the first portfolio update in 2 weeks. Good luck with your investing journey. For this investing challenge, I'll be using Trading 212 as my broker. I chose this platform because it allows me to invest small amounts of money on a regular basis, making it ideal for this 5 euros per day strategy. The platform also provides an easy way to track portfolio performance, dividends, total returns, and every individual purchase over time. Throughout the series, you'll see real screenshots of the portfolio and every update every 2 weeks, so everything stays completely transparent. This is not a sponsored video, and I'm not being paid to promote Trading 212. It's simply the platform I've chosen for this long-term investing experiment. If you're following this challenge yourself, remember that you can use any broker that offers access to the same ETF and fits your own investing needs. The most important part isn't the platform, it's staying consistent and investing regularly over the long term.